Uh, talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you, talking, can't structure things. While I structure entries, exascaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price go in, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you bend things. Liquidity sweep, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I mock bad sentences, not people or things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Yeah. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back right, keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by it and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, truth, cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generational kings. You ain't got no chicken wings. Yeah.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. We're going to take it nice and slow today on the stepper. Just that way, for whatever reason, we're just taking it nice and slow. All right. So we're looking at the crypto bubbles on the daily. Holy smokes. River, 15.5%. We have Dash. Dash, the leader, 42.2%. Why? I don't know. No idea. We have ICP, 32%. Why? No idea. Just remember, these coins have been going down for a long time, and there's going to be some that, I don't want to say moon, but they give really nice results. Should we enter Dash and ICP and River? I don't know about that. Just because they made their move already, what do you think people are going to do? They're going to take profit because we haven't been making money. So they're going to take profit. All right. We got Mike in the house. What's up, Mike? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you greatly. We got Newbie Crypto in the house. What's up, brother? What's going on? Gonna say hi to the rest of the people when they're coming in. We have hourly chart or hourly bubbles. Nothing good. Does this mean Bitcoin's going down? We're gonna find out in just a moment. Let us look at the fear and greed index. We were at 48 yesterday. I said we're gonna go down today, more than likely. We are up 13 points. 61% or 61 on the greed. Wow. Up 13 points. We got Mark Dutch in the house saying, Johnny December sent me here. Well, thank you, Johnny. You're the best. You're my favorite. And Mark, you're my favorite for coming over here. Same thing with you, Mike. Favorite. And of course, Newbie Crypto. 333s. You're my favorite. You're my favorite. Let's look at the liquidation heat map. 24-hour time frame. Taking it nice and slow on the stepper. Nice and slow today, man. Today, I got nothing done. I got nothing done. Today was a good day. I was in JR's Discord the majority of the day, just scalp trading, talking trades, talking about a bunch of stuff. Of course, updating my group, doing some trades in the group, all that fun stuff. Very productive day on the charts and making some money, but not productive as far as doing anything in the house. I did nothing, literally nothing in the house. Normally I try to do something, anything on my day off, and I did nothing. Let's put the threshold to 0.5, and we are on the daily time frame. Come on, 0.5. There we go. Nope. 0.5. Come on, get it. There we go. Let's see here. We had some liquidation to the downside. We ended up taking them. So once again, whenever we go up, we have liquidation to the downside. Whenever we go down, we put liquidations to the upside. And right now we are taking the liquidations to the downside. Nice. Very nice. I like it. I like it. Let's see here. Anything else on this? Not really. We're going to look at the Bitcoin chart in just a moment. Got to go to the 12-hour time frame. Let's see here. I already forgot. Oh, Rashad. What's going on, Rashad? Appreciate you, man, being here. And I think it was Mark Dutch who told me how to pronounce it. So thank you, Rashad. Appreciate you, man. Let's see here. Going down the list. Sugar Heart in the house. What's up, man? Appreciate you greatly. We got David. What's going on, man? What is going on? You guys are the best. B Team Crypto in the house. What's going on? Let us look at 12-hour time frame. Nothing too exciting. Same thing. You know, we had some liquidations down here. Start tapping them. Going a little bit lower. I'm interested to see the 3-day and the weekly. Where are they all lining up? Nice. Look at all this. All this that we could take. Now, does it mean that we will take it? No. It just means there's a higher chance once we break levels. But just because we break the level does not mean we will take it. Let you know. I've been going to Bango. Lunar Beaches Crypto. What's up, buddy? What's going on, man? Thank you for being here. Thank you for smashing the like. You guys are the best. And congratulations on the 1K subscribers. It's a great feeling, man. And man, Alexo Crypto, dude's a beast. He is so nice and generous. You know, talking about other traders and sharing his community with us. I'm talking like he doesn't have to do any of that stuff, but he does, because he sees, you know, we're, you know, coming up and we're, you know, trying to do our thing or whatever, and he's sharing his community with us. So, man, Alexo Crypto is a good dude. He doesn't have to do any of that, but he does. But congratulations, man. Congratulations. Let's see here. Going down the list. Again, doing the steps nice and slow today. Nice and slow. Very good. See here. Newbie Crypto says the long played and worked out 95 to 97. What a day, man. That's a good move right there. Really good move. Congrats. Congrats, my friend. Let's see here. Let's go. Oh, I just entered a Bitcoin short on the weekly. on the weekly, look at all this. Man, can you imagine? Coming all the way down here, 89.5-ish area. There's a lot of liquidations down here, guys. Lots, 89. Now let's just say we break this level. When we come down and we tap this one, does it mean we're gonna come down here? No, because we can easily come up and build the liquidations again. So just be very careful. All right, let's look at Clash. We are like looking at Clash. We're not gonna go over this. We go over this every day. But right now it's still looking good. We haven't broken the levels. Still looking good. I'm not going to go over it because we always go over that. All right, let us look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, when the price was here. David says 88K gap still on the table. Let's go. When we're right here, 15-minute time frame, I'm thinking we're going to come down. You know, we need to break this zone. And I think we're gonna come down, take this, and take this, at least. Well, we went up, we came down, and we took this, then we went back into this zone, and then we broke out of the zone. And this is why we always react to the price action versus predicting. You know, yeah, it's kind of predicting, but it doesn't mean it's going to happen. It just means that if this happens, then this might happen. But this is why we trade level by level. Once we broke above this, watch out. We have resistance here. We could get rejected here. You know, where we come up, get rejected, come back down to the box, come up, roll over, break this level, continue to this. However, we just went straight up. We went straight up and continued going up and continued going up. And then finally, I think when we broke this level, I put it to my group, short. You know, and I let them know it's not an official setup. I didn't put it in the official setup group, but I put it in the Bitcoin, just saying I'm poking Bitcoin with a stick pretty much and going for this short. Let's see what happens. Let's see here. So let's go ahead and zoom out. Let's zoom out. Let's look at our thought process. So of course, what we do here on our channel, we show you what Bitcoin might do versus say what it's already done. Because that doesn't help us, that doesn't make us money. We want to know how we could potentially make money. Due to this move, let's go ahead and hide all this. If y'all have any coins you want me to do, let me know. If you have any questions, please let me know. Questions regarding indicators, thought process, strategies, anything related to crypto or personal. I do like saying story time, so I'll let you know. Let's see. Yeah. Dude's great, man. And he doesn't have any like hidden agendas like, hey, give me $100 and I'll mention you. Nothing like that. Like, dude is good. So yeah, very lucky. There's not a lot of good people in the world, period, let alone in crypto. It's even like a smaller demographics. So yeah. Newbie Crypto says, I'd still be careful with shorting right now. I'm actually looking for long at the moment. Oof. Now, granted, you know, I think I posted one long today, just recently, like an hour ago. But we have to be, I'm expecting a pullback and then it to go. And so how do I explain this? I know how to explain it. It's just I have everything hidden. So if I draw, it's going to start, everything's going to come up. But if we pull back and then we come up and we break the pivot, then it's good because more than likely continuation is going to happen. But if we pull back, come up, do a lower high, which is fine, but we break the low, that's the important part, then the long's not going to play out. Not right now anyway. So for that, we are careful of, but right now, since we've gone up, you know, what goes up is going to come down. It can't go up forever. So that's why we're doing some shorts. And the shorts, they're not like a 3-month hold or nothing like that. Just get our targets real quick. Hopefully it lasts a day or two for the pullback. Targets hit, and then we go back to going long again until we start breaking lows. So that's what we do. But yeah, right now, Bitcoin is looking bullish. You know, we came down, we came up, we have this level, and then we came down, we came up, we have the same about level. We came down, we came up, we broke the level, we're going up. But once again, what goes up will come down. What goes up will come down. What goes up will come down. At some point, it's going to go down. Now, what goes up will come down. Did it come down? No, sure didn't. Will go down. Did it go down? Nope, sure didn't. Will go down. Did it go? No. When it's ready, when it's done going up, guess what happens? It goes down. And when it goes down, when it's done, it'll go up until it goes down again. So that's what we do. That's what we do. Let's see. Alex says, yo, let's go for the intuitive trade TI. Let's go. Laying down the alpha. Let's go. And it's all free. All free. And this is why it's so important. Please use this time to ask questions. It was funny. One of the guys in JR's Discord says, yeah, you know, I really like traders trading and blah, blah. Yeah, Joe doesn't trade. I was like, yeah, I do. When people give like charts to look at, I look at them like, nope, it's not ready. We gotta wait for this. Nope, not ready. We gotta wait for this. This one, nope. Oh, this one's good. Hold on. And then I'll go and I'll take the trade and I'll show you on the air that I'm taking the trade. So when there's a trade to be gotten, we get it. But if it's not, we gotta wait. I'm not gonna force it. But yeah, I told him, man, I take trades. I take trades on there. But yeah. So if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, I do take trades when they're ready. I'm not gonna force it. But we're looking good. We're looking good. We're looking like we could go up. However, because we've gone up, the next thing, potentially, for us to come down. Now let's go ahead and update this. Where is it? I'm looking for the thingamabob that always goes to the bottom. I don't know why. It's the fixed range volume profile. Fixed range. Good Lord, why does it get moved all the way down here? So frustrating. Look at that. Joe, you missed it. It's way at the top. Come on now. I think I'm gonna delete all this crap. That's way too much. Wow. Joe, did we just see you get frustrated? Yeah, that frustrated the heck out of me. So we're gonna go from the low all the way over, and we're gonna zoom in so we can adjust our value area high right there. We're going to adjust our point of control right there and our value area low. Now that we have more information, we're gonna do that. We're gonna come over here to this. We're gonna collect this and hide. That way our chart's nice and clean. So we broke above value area high, continue going up. And thought process yesterday was that we're gonna come down. This is what I was thinking. Here, roll over. Nice area for you to roll over. We went over this already. And now we're seeing potentially the rollover. Now, depends on where it goes, because it could continue coming up, but it's not sustainable. If we go up, retrace only 24% or to the 236 area, then go up again, then pull back about 24%. Then, but this is a little lower than 24%. Let's go ahead and look at this. Let's go bang tool. Go from the low. This move. Yeah, 38%. So this one did retrace. This is a good retrace. I'm not gonna lie, this is a good retrace. So if we continue up, it's okay. But I would just like to see it roll over, reset the indicators, and then continue up. That's what I would like to see. Let's see here. Alex says, I force trades and get bid. Yeah. Sometimes it happens. D-Generation X. What's up, buddy? What's going on? I see here. Mark says, shout out to clean charts. Yeah. For me, I like clean charts. I really do. I get a lot of compliments on my charts. Not with all this drawing stuff, but you know, an actual chart setup, I get a lot of compliments. And they're very easy to read. And one thing I always recommend for people, especially when they send me charts, it's like, I have no idea what you're trying to, I know what they're trying to do. It's like, I have no idea if you're going long, short, like where's your entry, what's your thought process, where's your targets, where's your stop loss, like why are you getting into the trade? And then they explain it to me, and they'll write a big old paragraph. It's like, no, dude, on the chart. It's like, no, like show me on the chart, like put lines or something. Let's see here. Damien says, I was able to short the highs up for Bitcoin today. Nice. Very nice. And a short at 97.8. Let's look at the downside targets for Bitcoin so I can take some profits here. Okay, sure. So let's go to this one. This is my Bitcoin. So this is, so what I do is when I enter a trade, I like to show where I entered at and show them that I actually entered the trade. So I'm in a Bitcoin short, 75x leverage. At this time when I took the snapshot, I was here. I think I'm still in profit. But this is a setup, guys. This is a setup. It's on the 15-minute time frame. Bitcoin, when the price action was here, I drew out this inverse Adam and Eve. I don't do patterns, or you can call this it's not even a cup and handle. Adam and Eve. But regardless of the pattern, this is the neckline. This is the level that I'm looking for. I wanted to break 96.321. I wanted to break this. If it breaks this, there's a pretty good chance we'll come to this level and this level. Pretty good chance. So when the price was here, this is my thought process. I drew it out as it came down lower to right here, actually, where the yellow circle's at. I said, this is an aggressive entry. Yellow circles are aggressive entries. And the price may come up to here before coming down. What happened? Let's look at this. Price was here. Price went up. We added to our entry and came down. That's what this is showing. And now all we need to do is for it to roll over. These, again, aggressive entries. If you want a safer entry, you want the 15-minute candle to close underneath the level we just mentioned, 96.321. And then that's a safer entry. Could it still come up and stop us out? Sure. But this is a safer entry. And this is a chart setup. Look how clean and easy this is to read. Now, granted, you may not know what yellow circles and white circles mean, but when I type it out in the for the VIP, plus I have members that have been with me for years, they know what yellow means. But I still type it out though. Very easy. We add here. Stop loss is here. Tight stop loss. Just in case we continue up, I'd rather lose 0.6% rather than 3% or 4%. Because good chance if we break this, we'll continue going up. And here are our targets. Nice and tight. You know, nothing too crazy. So if you want to, you do a 10x, 20x, or whatever you want to do. Now, granted, just know the amount of my stop loss. Let's say I'm only willing to lose $1 or 10 or 100 or whatever. We'll say $1 for simple math. What I'm doing when I entered here, depending on how much margin I put in, actual money I'm using, will determine the 50%, 50 cents here. So let's say I can only put in, let's say 75 cents to lose 50 cents here. But here I can add $4 to lose 50 cents here. I'm only losing $1, so the amount of leverage doesn't matter. The leverage, it comes into effect when you're doing your fees. So that does count. So you do have to take that into account. but a lot of people freak out with the amount of leverage. You have to realize the stop loss and the money you're willing to lose. So that's very important. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's see here. Let's see here. Not financial advice, but you should have taken profits as it's been going down. Meaning, it depends on how much leverage he has. Here, it just depends on the trading style, really. Because some people are more riskier than others, and taking too much profit too soon will lead to less profits, less gains. But it will lead to gains, but still, like everybody's different. Everybody's different. See here, I'm about to take profits at 61K or 96, 96. But yeah, so you're right there. Yeah, that's a good area. Melissa One Love in the house. What's up, Melissa? Appreciate you being here. See here, Newbie Crypto says we were just in a buy zone in May. Reverse here. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so where'd you get yours at? 97.8. Oh man, that's way too risky. Dude. Get out of here, man. On that wick. It's too risky for me. Too risky. Now, have I done these before? Sure, of course. I think I actually got one here to only take it to like here before it reversed. But could we do this? Yeah, you can do this all day and just keep on adding. Let's say you tried the same technique Damien did, meet Damien, here, and it's coming down, starts coming up, you add to your short, you add to your short, you add to your short, it comes down, great, starts coming up, you add to your short, you add to your short, and it starts coming down, and then now it starts winning. That's a good trade. But the only problem is you might run out of money to add because it could continue going up. For example, everybody who tried that same technique here, when you rolled over, you add to it. Rolling over, oh, you add to it. Rolling over, oh, you add to it. Trying to roll over, oh, you add to it. And finally starts going, awesome, it's going up, you add to it. Then you have no more money, you get liquidated. So just be careful. All right, but nice entry, man, very nice. Let's see here. Shorting Bitcoin at 97.8 after I longed it this morning. Dude, killed it. Killed it.
Melissa Olaf has donated $9.99 and says, thanks, Joe, you're the best, sending good vibes always.
Melissa's my birthday twinsies. And thank you, Melissa. You're the best. And my favorite. You are my favorite. Put a heart and a thumbs up. And I'm going to reply. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. There you go. You're my favorite. Let's see here. Make money on the way up, making money on the way down. There you go. That's the way to do it. And see, sometimes with me, like I'm expecting the rollover or like a pullback. And if I don't want to be chasing it or looking at it, I just wait and I'll look at it later. It's like, okay, it went up. Okay, cool. It did what I wanted to do. But sometimes when I'm like really into this, I'll short here. While I'm still in the long, I'll short and comes down, starts coming up. I'm looking for it to roll over to maybe go to a lower level on the fibs, and it goes up. Oh, I get stopped out on the short, made a little bit of money. Long keeps on going. So yeah. Let's see here. You're the best. See here. See here. Good eye, D. Hit that paper, buddy. Yep. Yep. Good eye, Mr. Damien. Appreciate you, man. You're my favorite. You're my favorite. You're my favorite. But thank you, Melissa. Appreciate you. See here. Me, Damien says, I was looking for a double top on the 5 minute Nice, and got it for the short. Nice, dude. Very nice. We got JR in the chat. What's going on, JR? Appreciate you, man, for being here. I was talking about your Discord. Very fun. We were hanging out pretty much all. I was hanging out in there pretty much all day today. I went to my group, posted some setups, updated the group, made some videos for the group, and had a good time, you know, making some money. And sometimes it's easier to make money. Like today, I don't want to say easy, but today was a good day. And if you didn't make money, it's okay. If you missed out on trades, it's okay. There's always another day. Let's say tomorrow is horrible for trading. That's all right. You know, when coins pump and the market's not great, expect a retrace, because people are going to try to get paid. If the market is great and everything's going just beautifully, well, then the market may continue to pump. So what we'll look for is getting into that trade, knowing that it could retrace, having lower entries, and just waiting, see what happens. Do we get a pullback or does it continue? If it continues, great. If it pulls back, even better. So just to let you know. Just to let you know. Magnets. I love it. I love it. Yeah, and if you're a YouTube member, JR has his emoji. It's the ninja shout out emoji. It's a ninja with a megaphone. So shout out to JR and his amazing Discord. So if you haven't already joined his Discord, if anybody has his link, please put it in the chat, because the Discord is absolute fire, and it's a great place. Great place to be. Let's see here. I believe I caught up with the chat. Any coins, guys? Any coins right now? So what I think is going to happen, I think we're going to get that rollover. Hopefully we do. That way we can take the profits. Let's look at Bitcoin Cash. So for Bitcoin Cash, prices here, I'm thinking we either go up, which would be really good because, you know, close to all-time highs, FOMO continues, et cetera, et cetera. But I would really like to see a pullback. Let's go into the daily. I would really like to see a pullback to at least, oh, still can't see it. Good Lord, 3-day. Okay, there we go. Let me just move this over. I would really like to see a pullback to the 382, at least. Now, granted, the price was way over here. I'd like to see the pullback to at least the 382, but 0.5618 may happen, you know, in between this. So if we break this level, and again, we don't know what's going to happen, but if we break this level, there's a pretty good chance we'll come for this. And if we continue to break the lows, that's why I trade level by level, there's a pretty good chance we'll come for this. And if we continue and we break the 0.5, pretty good chance we'll come for this. And then maybe start bouncing up now. And it's just resetting what has already been as far as just going up. We just straight up. A pullback is healthy. And everybody freaks out on this. Like, no, look at this. Here we went up, kind of sideways, down, boom. This is good. This is healthy. As long as we don't break this low, we're good. You know, if we break the low, it's harder to go up. The deeper or the lower you go, it's harder to climb out. So just let you know. All right. Let's see here. Any other questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let me know. If not, we will end the show early. And this is JR's emoji. Close up. The shout out. Shout out to everybody. So Aster, we're talking about it right here. For me, it was too aggressive, or no, it was too aggressive for me to enter. I'd have to wait about 1%, which was nothing. You set the alert goes off, you wait for the 1 hour counter close above 69.70. If it does, then you can enter the trade. Boom, boom, boom. Because it could have easily rolled over. I could have easily done this. We're here. We could have come down, come up, come down, come up, and then go. But this is the setup. So like these also where we have to wait, they're still setups. And these setups, you know, if you play it the way it's explained, which is extremely descriptive on how to enter, there should be zero like misinterpretation of the entries. I think we did it on a 15-minute time frame. Normally I did on 15 minute, just because this looks like what I would have done. Price was here. I'm thinking we're gonna come down. We came down. We come up. We went up. We got rejected here, pulled back barely, and then boom. The alert went off. So it would have been a 15-minute time frame. We need a break above this level. We can see we're above it. We enter the trade. Hopefully we don't break below it. If we break below it, well then now we're under resistance again. So then we have to wait for it to break above. And we went up. So this is actually a setup. So whenever I'm doing this stuff, like I explain, and there should be zero. If there's anything that I ever say that is confusing or you don't get it, ask. Like there are no dumb questions. They're either questions we've had before or haven't thought of yet. Those are the only two type of questions. Let's see here. Going to the list. All right, very good. Let's see here. Cash. Looking pretty good. Would like to see it come back. Is Crypto Squid live? I think he goes live at 9. He is. Okay, let's see if we can come over here to Crypto Squid. He goes live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. I think every day. I'm not sure. I was talking to him earlier today. He's like, "Yeah, man, I go live at 9." And I'm thinking, please say Western or Central. He goes Eastern. He's like, dang it. Said, all right. So if for whatever reason I'm not live at 9, definitely go over here. Let's check him out real quick. Okay, and then when you go there, smash the like. So I'm gonna pause this real quick. Okay. So let me see if we can forward. Here. Gonna forward people to you. Let's see if I can. Gonna try. Okay. So Crypto Squid, go here to this. Since we don't have any questions or anything. And again, it's all about sharing the love. So definitely go over there, subscribe to him for sure, and smash the like. And then of course, say Trade Intuition Raid. And I don't see him on here, so I'll have to show him how to do it. I don't see him on here. So let me go ahead and go over here to this. Go over here to this. Copy. Do this. So I'm gonna put it in the chat. And then I'm gonna pin it. So please, let's all go over there. Show him some love. And go ahead and click on that. And then we all go over there. We hang out. Ask him questions. And everything else. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure to click that link right now, though. Make sure to click that link. That way we can all go over there. And if for whatever reason, it's going to be Crypto Squid right here. Crypto Squid. Crypto_squid. He's got this picture. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, as always, Joe, are you lying to us? Why? You're not even looking at the camera. Oh, yeah, sorry. I'm looking at your eyes. I want to let you know that you are my favorite. Make sure to do Trade Intuition Raid, not T.I. Joe or Trader Joe. Trade Intuition Raid. Help support another YouTuber. He's really good too. Smash the like, subscribe, and Trade Intuition Raid. We'll see you next time. As always, not sure what time it is your time, It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. My name is Joe, also known as Stranger Wishing, with the longest outro. See ya. Take care.